When one imagines a serene shoreline, the mind often wanders to the notion of a distant, exotic escape. So whether you're looking for a family-friendly beach with plenty of activities, a romantic getaway for two, or a secluded spot to relax and unwind, here is a list of the top 10 must-visit beaches in the USA. Number 10. Carmel by the Sea. The beach in Carmel by the Sea is one of the most popular attractions in the village and attracts over 8 million visitors each year. For all those who are keen on UNESCO World Heritage Sites, Carmel by the Sea is a stone's throw away from the renowned mission San Carlos Borromeo de Carmelo. This historic Spanish mission was built in 1770 and is one of the oldest surviving missions in California. Just 5 minutes away from the mission, the tour house was the home of American poet Robinson Jeffers, who built it in 1919. The house is located on a cliff overlooking the Pacific Ocean and offers stunning views of the coastline. Number 9. Pfeiffer Beach. Pfeiffer Beach is a place where nature showcases its artistry. The iconic Keyhole Rock stands as a mesmerizing masterpiece, where, during the winter solstice, the setting sun aligns perfectly through its opening, creating a breathtaking spectacle. Another notable attraction is the Keyhole Arch, a natural rock formation that is located at the south end of the beach and is a popular spot for taking photos and watching the sunset. Number 8. Ansley Island. This barrier island stretches over 37 miles along the coast of Maryland and Virginia and is a unique and pristine destination that promises an unforgettable experience. In 2022, it attracted over 2.3 million visitors, who came here to encounter its wild ponies and unique and captivating sights. The Ansley Island Visitor Center is a great place to learn about the park's history, wildlife, and geology. There are also exhibits on the wild horses. The Ansley Lighthouse is the only historical monument on the island whose original construction was started in 1867. Visitors can climb to the top of the lighthouse for stunning views of the island and the Atlantic Ocean. Number 7. Laguna Beach. Laguna Beach is a place where art, culture, and nature coalesce seamlessly. Historic monuments abound in this charming locale. Most notably, the mission San Juan Capistrano is a historic Spanish mission that was founded in 1776. The mission is known for its beautiful architecture and its annual swallow migration. The El Morro Canyon is a canyon that is home to a number of rock formations, including the famous Pirate Tower. For all those who are interested in seeing the arts scene, be sure to visit the Sawdust Art Festival and the Laguna Beach Art and Music Festival that exhibit the city's artistic prowess. Number 6. Malibu. This true slice of paradise is a 21-mile stretch of sun-kissed shoreline located in Malibu, California, and is a symbol of luxury and natural beauty that continues to captivate the hearts of all who visit. Its rugged coastal beauty meets upscale elegance and offers a stunning backdrop for relaxation and outdoor adventures. The Malibu Adamson House is a historic Spanish colonial revival house that was built in 1929 and is a museum now that offers tours and events. For hiking and bird watching, Point Dume is an ideal spot. This rocky headland offers stunning views of the Pacific Ocean and its surroundings. Number 5. Clearwater Beach. This barrier island along the pristine Gulf of Mexico on Florida's west coast spans approximately 2.5 miles and is known for its soft, powdery sands, turquoise waters, and family-friendly atmosphere. It's a place where the sunsets paint the sky in breathtaking hues of orange and pink, offering a nightly spectacle that draws visitors from near and far. Its history dates back to the late 19th century when it was originally developed as a resort by Peter Demons, who recognized the area's immense potential for a tropical getaway. The Clearwater Beach Marina, one of its top attractions, offers opportunities for dolphin watching tours, fishing charters, and sailing adventures. It's an ideal way to connect with marine life and explore the Gulf's azure waters. The Clearwater Memorial Causeway is a magnificent bridge that was built in 1954 to connect Clearwater Beach to the mainland and was named after the veterans of World War II and the Korean War. Number 4. Destin. Destin Beach is a beautiful stretch of white sand coast that is popular because of its unique sand, made of pure Appalachian quartz. It remains cool even in the scorching sun, offering a comfortable space for beachgoers to relax. In addition to basking in the sun and swimming, Destin offers world-class fishing and water activities, earning it the nickname the world's luckiest fishing village. Its premier attraction, Crab Island, is a submerged sandbar where visitors anchor their boats and enjoy floating restaurants, paddleboarding, and live music. It's a one-of-a-kind aquatic party that embodies the carefree spirit of Destin. Few minutes away from it, the Destin Harbor Boardwalk is a popular spot for walking, shopping, and dining. The boardwalk also features a number of fishing piers and boat ramps. Its historical charm lies in the tales of the legendary fishermen who made it their home and the generations of visitors who have fallen in love with its natural beauty and water-based adventures. Its history is a living one, rooted in the traditions of fishing and hospitality. Don't forget to visit the Destin History and Fishing Museum that tells the story of Destin's maritime heritage. The museum also features exhibits on the city's fishing industry and its natural resources. Number 3. Honolulu, Oahu. Honolulu is a cultural melting pot with a rich history, offering a unique blend of Hawaiian traditions, Asian influences, and a warm spirit of aloha. The Lalini Palace is a testament of Hawaiian monarchy and is the only royal palace on U.S. soil. It is now a museum that tells the story of Hawaiian history and culture. One of its top attractions is Pearl Harbor, and an active military base and a place of great historical significance. Visitors can pay their respects at the U.S. Arizona Memorial and gain insight into the events of World War II. While exploring the locality, spare some time to visit the Puhonua o Honona National Historical Park, a sacred place where ancient Hawaiians could seek refuge from war and punishment. The park features a number of historical sites, including a Hia temple and a Haile sacred house. Number 2. Kauai. Kauai is a place where verdant mountains, cascading waterfalls, and pristine beaches converge, creating a breathtaking landscape that's straight out of a postcard. The Napali Coast, a rugged stretch of shoreline, is often hailed as one of the most dramatic coastlines in the world, inviting hikers, kayakers, and adventurers to explore its hidden treasures. This diverse island has something to offer everyone. Whether you are looking for a relaxing beach vacation, an adventurous getaway, or a chance to experience the natural beauty, it's a perfect destination for you. Number 1. Maui. Maui, also known as the Valley Isle, is a place where you can experience the perfect balance of adventure and relaxation. The island is a treasure trove of cultural heritage. Visitors can explore Lahaina, a historic whaling village, or attend a traditional Hawaiian luau to immerse themselves in the rich traditions and culture of the island. Io Valley State Monument is home to the Io Needle, a towering rock formation that is sacred to the Hawaiian people. The monument also features a number of hiking trails and scenic overlooks. So that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do let us know in the comments section if you ever visited any of these marvelous places and how your experience was.